How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. I want to make this quick little video update. It's going to be a little bit longer than I can put in like a YouTube short. But I made a video. The last video you all watched was the issue with the ball joints on the Rough Country 3.5-inch kit I have on my Tacoma. Now, I'm in my work truck right now making this video, but I do want to provide an update on that because it needs to be said. A Rough Country representative did contact me. They saw the video. Either someone at Rough Country follows me, or whatever the case might be, they do follow me and they saw the video. So he emailed me. Two of the emails will be popping up. Of course, I'm going to redact my email address and his email address and all the personal stuff. But as you can see, he did contact me wondering what is going on, this isn't normal, and all of that nature. And what I want to say about this, guys, is my whole point of that video was not to bash Rough Country, not to defame them, not to be like, look at you, point fingers, all this stuff. But I do have an obligation to you all to be open and 100% honest when issues with parts on my Tacoma come up. We are in contact. I'm going to get him pictures. I don't have the old ball joints from when I replaced them last year, but I'm going to get him pictures of the ones that are on the truck currently and what they're going to be replaced with and all of that stuff. I want to say this is the customer service that I love. I will probably be now a Rough Country, a Rough Country guy from now on, unless it's a specific suspension part I need that they don't make, or I need a really heavy duty suspension kit for, like, if I'm building a Baja truck or, whatever the case might be. But this is what I like, because these are companies that are willing to take products. If there's an issue, they're going to fix it. And you do not find that nowadays. They were willing to come out, contact me out of the blue. I did not contact them first at all, like you saw in the email chain. The guy from Rough Country contacted me, and that is very rare nowadays. Most companies be like, tough crap, it's past the year warranty, whatever warranty you have with the part. It's your fault, you did it, blah, 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 blah. And as you all know, I do not off-road that truck. The most off-roading that truck sees is snow when it snows out here in East Tennessee. So I am very thankful for Rough Country to do that, because they did not have to do that. They could say, screw you, we get plenty of sales, whatever the case might be, but they don't. They care about their customers, and they will take care of the issue, just as they took care of the issue with that Vertex shock with the bushing on the lower control arm where it connects, squeaking, brand new shock, in warranty. Granted, it was in warranty, but no question about it. They did not have to do that. They say, it's just a squeaky shock, get over it. So, that is awesome. I very much appreciate Rough Country for doing that. Like I said, guys, if you're in the market for a suspension kit like that, video will be down below on the review I had on that kit. It's an awesome kit. I highly recommend it. But check that Rough Country out, guys, especially for your suspension needs. So if you have any experiences like that with Rough Country, please comment them down below. Their customer service is second to none. I highly recommend it. But if you like this quick little short video, leave a like. New to the channel, please subscribe to the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.